It's so much easier to be the same, isn't it? It's so much more comfortable when you're surrounded by sameness, isn't it? Well, for a while, maybe. Maybe for a while. But how do you learn? How do you grow? How do you live? How do you engage life without engaging the things that are different? Jesus, I don't think, wanted the disciples to be the same, which is a good thing because it turns out they weren't, and they disagreed on stuff as they went forward. They did. Jesus didn't want them to be the same. I don't think for even a minute Jesus wanted them to be the same in terms of, you will go and teach this way, and you will teach these things, and make sure you do this and this and this, because we all have to do this the same way, because otherwise, not everyone will be the same. I think he realized they had different strengths, and they have different ways of doing things, and they should go and do that. As long as there is that oneness that is all my relations, a respect for all my relations. You know what that is. I haven't used the word yet, but you know what it is. You're already thinking what it is. It's love. It is. Love is the thing that connects us. It's the action of that connectedness. It's love that makes us go, tell me more. It's love that makes us go, I am not afraid to know more, even though what you are telling me causes me to question what I previously thought. Recognizing that we're different is just a step. Respecting that we're different is just a step. Loving each other because we're different is what makes us one.